Hey everyone, welcome back to Plasticity 3D Part 2 for beginners. In this video, we're going to explore the tools on the user interface, UI. Let's start from the left side. The window on the left is called the outliner. It displays everything in your scene. Next to each element, you'll find some icons that can be useful if you want to. Hide your model, make it invisible, lock it so it's visible but not selectable. At the bottom left corner, there's a folder icon. You can use it to create an empty folder. Moving on, you can double-click on the folder to rename it. Additionally, you can left-click and drag any models, curves, or sheets into the new folder for the sake of cleanliness and consistency. At the very top, we have some other buttons and the P menu. In the P menu, you can click and choose from various options such as New, to start a new scene, New window, allows you to work on multiple independent scenes, Open, Import, Append, Save as, Export. Pretty self-explanatory. No need to go into detail. Save a startup scene. If you click on this, the next time you launch Plasticity, it will load the current scene, Preferences. We've already covered preferences in a previous video. Moving on, we have the License Manager where you can manage your license, activate, deactivate, upgrade, and perform other related actions. The next button tells you which version of Plasticity you're currently using. And finally, the Quit option is to close Plasticity. Right next to the P menu, there's an icon that allows you to maximize the viewport space and make the most out of your screen. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+B to achieve the same effect. Underneath that, there's a useful button that indicates whether the scene is saved or not. Unfortunately, it's not clickable. If you click right below that, on the three dots, you'll be able to expand or collapse your folders. Additionally, you can select a model in your scene and click on Scroll to Selection to quickly access that particular object via the outliner. You also have commands such as Isolate. And right next to the three dots, there's an up arrow icon that collapses everything in one go. This is very handy when you have a lot of objects in your scene. I hope you found this overview of the outliner and Plasticity helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.